In the profound teachings of Advaita Vedanta, Brahman is described as Nirgun, the formless, attributeless ultimate reality. However, Sri Adi Shankaracharya, a strong proponent of this philosophy, recognized that for most people, grasping the concept of a formless divinity is challenging. To help guide them on their spiritual journey, he introduced the idea of Saguna Brahman. Let's talk about the first question. What is Saguna and Nirgun Brahman? Saguna Brahman represents the divine with form and attributes, allowing people to relate to it more easily through devotion and personal connection. It serves as a stepping stone for spiritual seekers to gradually purify their minds and transcend toward the Nirgun Brahman, the ultimate truth, which is beyond all form, attributes, and illusions. While Saguna Brahman offers a tangible focus for devotion, it is important to remember that this form is not the final truth. Nirgun Brahman is the ultimate reality that exists beyond all sensory perception, beyond form, and beyond name. Why Sri Adi Shankaracharya introduced Saguna Brahman? Recognizing the limitations of the human mind, Shankaracharya supported the worship of Saguna Brahman to make the path to realization more accessible. One of the most symbolic forms he introduced is that of Kal Bhairav, a fierce manifestation of Shiva. The Kal Bhairav Ashtakam, a powerful hymn composed by Shankaracharya, praises Kal Bhairav as the destroyer of ego, pride, and ignorance, the very obstacles that prevent spiritual seekers from realizing the truth. Let's get into some of the symbolic representations of Lord Kal Bhairava. Sword symbolizes cutting off the ego and pride, which hinders spiritual growth. Skull garland represents the passage of time and the inevitability of death. Dog symbolizes loyalty and protection of dharma. Trishul represents piercing through ignorance and illusions to bring clarity. Terrifying form encourages fearlessness, especially the transcendence of the fear of death. Severed head represents detachment from the material world and the body. For the majority of people, worshipping Saguna Brahman is the necessary first step. As one's devotion deepens, their understanding becomes more refined, and they move from the worship of Saguna to the realization of Nirgun, the formless. Now, let's address one of the most crucial issues: false claims made by individuals who say they've had darshan or visions of Kal Bhairav. Such claims are not only misleading but entirely false. Many so-called spiritual gurus, tantrics, and upasakas claim to have been chosen by Shiva in the form of Kal Bhairav, spreading superstition and misinformation. These claims are not only disrespectful to the teachings of the Upanishads but also an insult to Hinduism and its sacred texts. Anyone claiming to have seen Kal Bhairav in a physical form is either misguided or intentionally deceiving people. These false claims lead people away from the true spiritual path and foster superstition instead of real understanding. It's important to remember that true spiritual growth involves self-realization, not illusions or fabricated visions. To understand the distinction between Saguna and Nirgun Brahman, it is crucial to study the Brahma Sutras, particularly Chapter 3, Section 2, where verses 11, 14, 15, 16, and 17 clearly explain how the form, Saguna, is only a temporary for spiritual growth, while the formless, Nirgun Brahman, is the ultimate truth. Let's conclude today's topic. The concept of Saguna Brahman was introduced to guide those who find it difficult to comprehend Nirgun Brahman. It serves as a stepping stone, offering a path of devotion and purification. But the goal remains the realization of the formless, attributeless Brahman. Claims of seeing any Saguna form are misguided and false, as they contradict the teachings of the Upanishads and Advaita Vedanta. If you truly wish to understand these concepts and avoid being misled by false claims, I urge you to delve into these sacred teachings. The path to truth is about self-realization, not illusions. Hope this video will aid your knowledge to fight false claims and superstitions.